Alright, what's up guys and girls? This is a 1960s K Vanguard, and if you've been following my other videos on YouTube, you'll see kind of the process of rebuilding this thing. When it came to me, it was in pretty bad shape. It was just the body. Unintentionally matching today. And I basically fully refurbished, rebuilt it, modded it out, kind of made it my own. So what we've got is 1960s K Vanguard body, which I finished in an earth green color, satin finish. So it's got like a low sheen to it. I was kind of going for like an army tank, army green kind of vibe, almost like the 335 Chris Cornell thing, which I love. I custom cut, custom designed this pickguard for it. It's similar to the original pickguard, but a little different, has a little bit more shape to it, which I prefer. It's a 5-ply matte black pickguard. Popped in a Gemini gold foil pickup, which sounds awesome. Wired this with the treble bleed circuit. Added two heavy duty metal radio knobs to it as well. Custom neck plate. As far as the neck goes, it's 100% custom handmade neck by me. A maple that I roasted, and when I say roasted, I mean I torched it, so it's almost like torrefied maple. And then I ended up staining it and lacquering with a satin nitro lacquer, and it just feels great. It looks great too. It's got a nice little flame to it. Bone nut. Finish it off with a gold logo. It plays and sounds awesome. Let's plug it in, see what you guys think.